Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to sort data in Excel number of character. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to sort data in Excel with character. At first, select the column, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the home menu. Select the short drop down menu. And we can see here the short A to Z or Z to A. Now I am select short Z to A. Then select the continue with the current section. Then click short. Now we can see here the S, P, J, J. Now we can see we sort data in Excel number of characters easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.